How to buy Tron or TRX using Binance app. For that, you need to first of all launch your Binance mobile application. Then you need to use the search bar in the top, and here you need to search for Tron. Now once you are able to find the Tron or the TRX/USDT pair, you need to simply tap on it. Now it will show you its chart where you can filter it out, and you can use your skills in order to get the best price for TRX. In order to purchase it, tap on the buy option in the bottom, and over here you need to enter the amount of TRX that you want to purchase. After filling the details, you need to tap on the buy TRX option, and then your order will be placed. Now if you have selected the limit order, then you can enter the price. So you can use the plus and minus, and you can increase and decrease the price as per your data. After that, once your order is placed, you need to wait for some time until it is filled. Once your order is filled, you will be able to purchase TRX in your Binance application. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.